Hey friends, this is Atif here. And welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. As in the earlier video, I was showing you that recently Bitcoin broke down the support of a descending triangle on a daily time frame chart. And this was a video that I shared a few hours ago with you. And now if we take a look at the live daily time frame chart, and this was a triangle. You can see that previously we had a fake out from this triangle here. We had another fake out here, but this time after the breakdown, we had a big drop. And the technical target for this breakdown from this triangle was, by the way, here, approximately at $49,200. And you can see that the price, and after almost hitting that target, is recovered back. At the same time, you can see that stochastic was entered the oversold zone, and RSI was also entered the oversold zone. And I was telling you this can be a very, very nice combination because previously when both oscillators were entered the oversold zone together here and here, we had a nice reversal move. Here we have a small correction move, but the price again dropped down. Then we had a very, very nice rally. And before that, it was happening here back in the month of January 2024 when both oscillators were entered the oversold zone. And after that, we had a big rally. And same as like that, this time again, both oscillators entered the oversold zone. And now RSI is also turning bullish. And stochastic has again given the bull cross from the oversold zone. Like this fast line or blue line has crossed up the slow line or orange line. And this is a very, very nice buying signal. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you on a weekly time frame chart, you can see that Bitcoin recently broke down the support of this sub channel. This is, by the way, a bit critical situation because now the previous support of the channel can break at the resistance. However, I have been telling you almost in my every video that more important support than this support of the channel we have here at $48,000. That is the key support. We need to keep an eye on this support. And now at the same time, you can see that we also have a bullish divergence flash on this chart. Like the price line is forming lower low, you can see, and stochastic is forming higher low than previous low. And the price line is likely to follow this signal and gear it up. And we will also analyze this move as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of July 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for GMX, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 15th of July 2024, and you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. This was a very, very massive pump, by the way. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Bitcoin. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that we have broken down the support of this triangle. Then we had a big drop. However, you can see that the price line is forming lower highs, and now it has confirmed another lower than previous low. And if I connect all these touch points here and remove this one, and you can see that it has also formed this broadening falling wedge pattern. And this time again, the price line has bounced very well from the support of this broadening falling wedge pattern. At the same time, you can see that both oscillators, the stochastic and RSI, has entered the oversold zone. Therefore, I was telling you that now there is a probability that we may see a correction move. And so far from this low to here, you can see that Bitcoin has been recovered more than 13.5%. And now it is trying to break out this resistance of $56,500 that had been previously breaking as support here, almost as a support here as well. And now it can break as a resistance. And in case of breaking out this resistance, I'm expecting that soon it can hit the resistance of this broadening falling wedge pattern here at $69,300. And in case of breaking out the resistance, it can reach here at the highest price of this broadening falling wedge pattern, or the top of the wedge. That is here approximately at $73,600 or $74,000, somewhere between this area. And now if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that the price in first broke out the resistance of the falling wedge pattern. In fact, I have been showing you this falling wedge pattern even before the breakout as well, when it was moving here. And I was telling you that now the movement is quite squeezed. Therefore, at any time we can expect the breakout, and the technical target can be here at the top of the wedge, and you can see that the price then rallied beyond that target. And that technical target was, by the way, approximately $70,000. And here we have found a very, very strong resistance on that starts from $69,000 and goes to $73,794. $69,000 is the highest price of the previous bull run, and $73,794 is the highest price of the current bull run so far. Therefore, in order to continue this rally to the upside, we will need to break out this resistance zone as well. And first, we will also need to break out the previous support of the triangle that can now break at the resistance. There is a very big bullish divergence signal flash from the 7 days time frame chart as the stochastic has entered the oversold zone. This time here it was entered the oversold zone. This time it was touching the oversold zone, but again it is moved up. However, we have this bullish divergence signal here. You can see that it is forming higher low than previous low. At the same time, price line is forming lower than previous low. Therefore, I'm expecting that if the price line follow this signal, and so far so good, the price line is likely to follow this signal, then it can again re-enter the same channel that is previously broken down. And in case of breaking out this resistance zone, that starts from $69,000 and goes to $73,794. It can hit the resistance of the channel somewhere here, approximately at $100,000. By the way, we need to keep an eye on this support of $48,000. That is a key support here. And that has been previously breaking as a resistance here and resistance here. And if the price then breaks down this support, then we can expect another big drop from here. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.